The TradingView Heatmap is one of the best free tools for seeing where money is moving in real time. Let me show you how to use it properly. Open TradingView and open a new tab on the top by clicking the plus button. Then simply click on Heatmaps. You'll land on the S&P 500 by default. Each block represents a company. The size of the block is its market cap, so Apple and Microsoft will always look huge. The color shows performance, green for up, red for down, and the brighter the color, the bigger the move. Up at the top, you can switch the source. Click where it says S&P 500. You can switch it to, say, the Nasdaq or all US stocks. Next to that, you can also change the performance time frame. You can change it to, say, looking at the weekly performance or the monthly to see longer term trends. Now, here's a practical use. On a given day, scan for the brightest green clusters. If energy is lighting up while tech is red, that's sector rotation in progress. Click on any block to jump straight to that chart. That's the heat map for you. It's simple, powerful, and free. Have a great day, guys.